guys, this is Aadi from Aadi Academy. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is part 5, multiplying binomials. So here's our equation and let's get to solving. Step 1 is we have to solve the parentheses. So we have to do x times x plus x times 2 and 4 times x plus 4 times 2. X times x is x squared, plus x times 2 is 2x, plus 4 times x is 4x, plus 4 times 2, which is 8. So the area, once we do 2x plus 4x, is equal to x squared plus 6x plus 8. So a quick review. Binomial is a polynomial with two terms. For example, x plus 8 and x minus 9.